There we go. Okay. Cool.
Let me close the door because, like, I don't know if y'all can hear the music. Our FHE brothers decided to stay longer and have a party in our living room.
Oh, are you in Rexburg?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm at the stadium right now.
I was like, I can tell, I can see the campus in the background. Yeah.
You guys have the pages ready, I guess. I guess it's just the exam preparation right now, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay.
Are we just gonna go over the review or?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think we have to say a prayer first, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. I'll say it.
Okay.
Dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for the opportunity to meet together as a group and to learn math together, and please help us be able to have a productive meeting and say things in this in Jesus Christ's name. Sorry for the back.
Okay. So, are you guys clear with the? My video's a little clearer, but my voice is worse.
You're good, you're good.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys good with the distance formula and all that other stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, should we just go through the extension problems then?
Oh, okay, yeah, there is extension problems. I didn't realize. It's the one with 4 questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, where do you see that?
It should be in week 3, lesson 1 and 2. GHOA instructions.
Okay, I see. There you go.
Is there? Are we supposed to be checking this to anything? Like, is there? Oh,
There's
look.
a key. There's a key for it. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So if we can't figure it out, we have something to go off of.
Okay, perfect. That's good.
Okay, so for question 1.
Okay,
It's pretty much an absolute graph.
yeah. And the coordinates for it are going to be...
Got a +4 and then a negative, or a +3.
Yeah.
Be what, 4, 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be on +4x axis.
Yep.
And then up 3. And then it'll be inverted or reflected. So it'll face downwards.
Yep.
And it's being, since it's less than 1, it's being not compressed. What's the other word? Stretched.
Or like wider.
It's going wider, yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Domain is -infinity to +infinity.
Uh-huh.
And then the range is
-infinity to close 3.
Yeah.
So symmetry. This again is the question I messed up last week. I was going the right way, but I didn't really do it properly.
Yeah, I'm not very good at symmetry.
All I know is that if f of x is equals to f of -x, then it's an even even symmetry. I guess we can look that up. I don't know if any of you guys know how to do that.
Here, I'll look it up.
Yeah, I'm checking it out too.
I think it would be symmetric to the y-axis.
Let's see.
Because you can't really reflect it over the x-axis.
That's true. But if I remember correctly, I'm supposed to, or we're supposed to put in something. I'm trying to figure out what, because then it's supposed to equal, like if, like right now it's y equals negative half x minus 4 plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
If you, I think if you plug in negative x and then do the thing, like simplify it, it's supposed to equal
it's
1
an odd
half.
sign then.
Yeah, or it could be neither even or odd. So I'm trying to figure out, because that's what the answer was last week. It was neither even or odd, and I couldn't figure out how.
So what is it asking for the?
It's asking what the symmetry is. It's a simple question, but I don't. It confuses me.
Yeah, like I'm really confused. What like looking for?
It's the one that says f negative x is equals to fx.
Well,
That's symmetrical.
so I looked it up, and I guess that if you just put a negative sign in front of the x, and if the equation it would be symmetrical because it's an absolute value. And if it ends up that it's the same.
Okay, yeah, I agree with that. So it would be symmetrical. Yeah, it would be even then. Yeah, it would be even. You're right.
Wait, but it might. Like, I'm wondering, should we like plug numbers in for this, or does that help? Or because if it's a negative 2 minus 4, that's a negative 6. But if it's a positive 2 minus 4, that's a negative 2, and the absolute value is different. So I think it's not symmetrical there because it doesn't matter because you're still subtracting.
Here, I'm gonna try it real quick. F of negative x. So if I plug in a negative x, it's not equal to f of x.
Yeah.
So it's not even.
Yeah.
And then if I plug in f negative x is equals to.
Wait, but because it is an absolute value function, wouldn't it be symmetrical at x equals 4?
I think you're supposed to take out a negative 1 in the front. I think, if I remember correctly. Because if it's negative x take away 4, that's the same as having a negative 1 outside.
Mhm.
And then x plus 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it'll be a positive 1/2.
Oh, okay.
So if it's even, it's symmetrical then?
I think it's neither even nor odd.
Oh,
You know what we could do? We could check the answer.
that's a very good point.
I'm going to look at it and tell you guys.
It doesn't.
It doesn't say anything.
Oh,
uh,
that's great.
Well, it says that the symmetry is at x equals 4, but is that it?
no, now I'm confused.
Well, if it's an absolute value function, it's the same on both sides of a line. Just reflective.
I think they're just looking for the line of symmetry.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I think so.
Because if you
What was the other one called? It makes sense that the symmetry is at 4 if it's like folding on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that makes sense. But I guess I wasn't understanding it. How did they ask the other one? Like if it was looking for
It asked, I don't know. I can't remember, but I know that it asked if it was like an even or odd function. All right.
sorry about that, guys.
the what's it called? I think coefficients, whatever. It's like x to the third plus like 2x to the second or something. I remember in my math lab, it was asking something about that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. That one of the examples. I just couldn't remember it. Yeah, but I guess we don't need to worry about that.
Clearly not.
We'll keep going.
Okay.
So I guess when it says symmetry, it's just talking about the axis of symmetry.
Yeah.
Okay, difference quotient. At least this one's a little bit
Yeah.
easier. Squared equals 2. Okay.
Okay, I got. Oh, does anyone have it?
I'm crossing off everything. F6h x plus 3h squared. Take away 2h over h. So I've got 6x plus 3h. Take away 2. Okay, I've got it. I don't know if Alicia's yet.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
So did you guys get 6x plus 3h? Take away 2.
I got
I got take away 3.
Yeah.
Take away 3. That 2h. Did I miss a step? Where did you guys get the 3 from at the end?
Oh, where did I do it? Hold on.
Because I crossed off all the ones, and then I pretty much had the 2h, and then the 2h was the one that turned into a -2. We could go over it like step by step.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah,
So
because I feel like I messed up somewhere too. So.
you do fx plus h
Mhm.
is equals to 3x plus h squared. Take away 2x plus h, and then plus 1, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I did that one first, and then I got 3, so, and then bracket x squared plus 8 or 2hx plus h squared bracket.
Mhm.
Take away 2x, take away 2h plus 1.
Yeah.
And then I do the whole minus fx1. So I just put in minus bracket 3x squared, take away 2x plus 1. And then I simplify it.
Okay, so that's
So if you multiply in the 3 on everything in the bracket, it should become 3x squared plus 6hx plus 3h squared. Take away 2x, take away 2h plus 1, and then it'll be take away 3x squared plus 2x minus 1.
okay.
And so you just cancel out the stuff. Like
Yeah,
3x
I'm not sure where the 1 is or the 3 is coming from there. Because I got
Because I'm thinking you might not have switched the negative sign
well,
then,
I got
or
this
not factor, but when you like
x plus 3h minus 2 again.
put that in the brackets and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, we could always do is just, I guess, start and like ask how you got it, like the instructor, how she did it.
I'm gonna check the answer.
Now the answer says it's 6x plus 3h minus 3, but where's that extra 1 coming from?
Does the answer say 3?
Yeah, the answer says minus 3.
Huh. Okay, then let me redo that. That makes no sense.
Yeah, because I thought everything canceled out.
Maybe that's a typo.
Maybe
It might be a typo because I'm getting
because I've done it twice now. I've gotten the same answer both times, and I'm checking like
Yeah.
along the way. So
Did you get -2 as well?
Yeah, the second.
Yeah, I think it might be a typo. I wouldn't worry too much about it
okay, cool.
because I'm pretty sure we're doing it right.
Yeah. Okay, so the next one, the inverse. It's fun.
The inverses are a little simpler.
I always have issues with these fraction ones.
I feel like, okay, so what I noticed with a lot of them is that the top left-hand corner and the bottom right-hand corner, they usually just switch the numbers. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
so that's what I usually just do.
Sometimes I just go off of that too.
I mean, it's like
But
75% of the time it works.
I just remember, I just multiply everything from the bottom to the next.
Oh, yeah.
And then factor it out. And then you switch the X and the Y, all that stuff. So I got 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2.
Hold on just a second.
Yeah, that's what I got.
It works. It works. Just switch it around.
Which one?
I tried that on the not on the practice questions, but on like the My Math Lab stuff, and it works.
Like, it's so much easier. You don't have to do, like, all the check and everything, but it's a lot easier.
Yeah,
It works.
yeah, it works.
Okay, this piecewise functions are difficult. The answer is correct, by the way.
Cool.
Piecewise.
I'm
I need to figure out a quicker way to do the piecewise one.
I wish.
Cooled down my body, and I bleached my skin. The hydrogen peroxide.
What?
You're laughing at me.
Oh, yeah, I'm doing my pre-towel.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Okay. Guys,
I hit-
anything special?
I hate when I bleach my skin.
I don't know how that happens, but
Look at
it
this.
happens. Yeah, you look like those people, you know,
I
like
look
how
like I
people
have
talk.
that skin. It starts with a V.
Vitiligo.
Oh no! I'm lighter now.
You're already white enough.
I know. Wait, maybe if I didn't put my freckles thing, it'll go away.
Oh my gosh.
Well, now I gotta do my whole body head to toe.
Oh my gosh, Rachel.
Maybe it will go away.
X.
Oh no. I don't think it'll happen. Oh my God.
Gotta love roommates.
I know, right?
I guess there's no equation for -2.
I'm pretty sure that too. That's really impressive. That was like, wow.
wait. Does the graph have a gap at -2?
That's what I was thinking. I don't know. I'm doing it
Yeah.
all for all the numbers first, and then I'm gonna graph it.
All right.
It's like the little circle with that isn't filled in.
It's a parabola, I think, because it's x squared. You know how x squared is a quadratic
Yeah.
or exponential. I don't know what you call it. Just trying to sound smart.
So
Goes down after it's on the
yeah,
greater than 2.
it looks like a big N.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. -3, I have 2. -1 is 1. Maybe I should try -4. That's a 0. So from -4, there's a slope of
Does
what's
yours
that,
look like a
2?
really funky M?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty sure.
Okay, so
Doesn't really make sense. Because I have no numbers for -2.
yeah, there's no numbers for -2.
Or I guess it goes up to -2, but not -2. So it'll still have to go straight up. If it's less than -2, then it goes.
And there's a gap there. It's
0.
-2, 4 is the gap.
I don't think there would be a gap though.
Well, the domains and the ranges don't include it. That point. That one point is not included by any of the functions. So our brackets would be slightly different.
Open bracket. One.
Okay, the only thing I'm kind of confused about is the bracket for the range on the x squared. Would that be an open or a closed bracket? Because on one side the 4 is closed, on the other side the 4 is open.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
They both should be open for that.
I have it open on -2. I have it open on -2.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Oh wait. So I just checked, but the answer key says that we're just supposed to do it for the whole function, not each piece. So
Oh, really?
yeah,
So there's no
guess-
open.
yeah.
That doesn't make sense. There is open.
What does that mean? Okay, that's all.
So I guess the domain would just be
It's all real
negative
numbers.
infinity to quasi infinity,
Okay, so
and then the range would be negative infinity to 4.
but we don't have anything for -2.
Yes, let's check. I'll check the key here.
Yeah, I'm looking at the key. It
doesn't-
doesn't say.
He doesn't say anything,
I don't trust these extension questions.
right?
I was like, I'm pretty sure these are kind of wrong.
Yeah. I guess what you can do is that if it goes all the way that way, and then wherever it crosses is where the piecewise function is.
Yeah.
But I would put an open dot there if this was actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. this makes sense to me if it was open, and then the other side makes sense because it's.
Maybe it was a typo on the thing, and there should be like a spot where it's closed, because the graph says it's closed and the domain and the range say it's closed, but just the functions say that it's open.
Yeah, it might be the function.
To put a line underneath.
If these kind of questions happen on the test, I'll just have to fight for the grade
Yeah.
Yeah.
because that one, it kind of looks the same, so it works for me.
Okay. Did we cover everything?
That was the only
I think so.
questions for our extension questions.
Okay. And we're all good on those questions? Like we get it now?
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
probably just have to review more on the whole access or symmetry odd even function thing,
Yeah.
but that shouldn't be
I
too
think-
much
A couple of those on the exam review.
on the review. We have a
Like,
review.
exam review.
Oh, the one we were doing earlier. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I'm good with these.
Okay. So we're good?
I think we're good.
All right. So do we have another meeting this week?
Yeah, there's the group quiz for
Okay.
the other
So should we
quiz.
do Wednesday at the same time?
I can do Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you good,
Cool.
Alicia?
Yeah, I'm good. That sounds great.
Alicia, are you gonna do it next time? Do you want to do the meeting?
If I can figure it out, but I totally am up for it.
Okay.
If you can't do it, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just text you if I can't figure it out, but I'll try to get it.
Okay. Cool.
That works. All right,
All
thanks, guys.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Wednesday.
All right. Bye.
Bye.